Hi everybody. Today I'm going to talk about the Airrow Pro multi-use air duster from Xpower. And this is marketed as a canned air replacement. And there's several out there on the market, but this one seems to have the best reviews, and I really agonized over this one. It says here that it's more than just a replacement to your canned air dusters. The Xpower Airrow Pro allows you the power and flexibility to dust, pump air, and dry a variety of surfaces. Unleash over 500 watts of power to blast away dust. Blah, blah, blah. The housing is made out of ABS, plastic. 120 volt, 60 hertz cycle, 3/4 horsepower motor, 4.5 amps, 90 CFM, 540 watts, 2-speed, 2.3 pounds, 7-inch by 4-inch by 7-inch with a 10-foot long cord. Comes with 9 pieces of accessories, and I hope this is black and not green or blue. The blue looks hideous. So here we go. Let's crack it open. Okay. We have a little carrying bag here, branded with Xpower and their eagle. I think that's an eagle. And the unit itself, some documentation, and accessories. So what is this here? Attention for model A-2. This product is certified by Interkek. Surely that's a typo. It should be Intertech, right? Small amount of sparks could occasionally be generated. Do not use product around flammable or explosive materials. Occasional small amount of sparks are safe. If the machine keeps working and producing sparks, please stop using the machine for at least 1 hour. Clean the filter. Ah, so it has a filter. I see. If the amount of sparks exceeds the safe range, a thermal protection fuse will stop this product completely. If sparks continue or you have a large amount of sparks, we will consider your machine as a defective unit. Temperature level, saying to basically give it a break once in a while. If you drop the product, please point to a safe area and turn the machine on with a lower speed setting for 5 minutes. Okay. Owner's manual. Oh my gosh. Sparks. Accessories. Etc. Speed switch. Oh my. Nothing overly exciting here. Limited warranty. All right, let's move on here. And it is black, so that's a relief. It feels a bit heavy, but not overly heavy. Certainly heavier than a bottle of canned air. Here's the 2-speed switch. Nice rocker. Little thumb rest for comfort. And here's the filter on the bottom. I'm guessing to clean it, you can just kind of pry it out. Perhaps. I don't know. Okay. And the accessories really well, that was satisfying. Okay, so these three are for filling up pools or air mattresses or what have you. I won't be using those. This looks like a nice wide range, narrower range for the large brush. And what I will be using for sure is this combination right here. Probably without the brush. So put this on there. Get all this out of the way. And twist tie. Here's where the audio is going to get weird. So I will attempt to save you all from this terrible noise I'm sure this is going to make. Here I have just a couple DC fans from the computer. They're just a little bit dusty. So one thing that I've read here is that you do not want to just let it spin on these fans. Otherwise it could damage the ball bearings. So I'm going to just hold my thumb and I'm going to start on low. Here we go. Not a whole lot of action. Let's try it on high. Not too impressive, but you know, this has been caked on there for a while. So let's see if there's a difference without the straw. The side vents are causing the other fan to spin. So let me readjust so that that's not. Okay, here we go. It definitely feels more powerful like that. And just as a comparison, I'll use canned air on the other side and see where we're at. Yeah, the amount of power coming off that thing is just incomparable. So I'm afraid that these are a little too caked on there for just air. So I actually have another demonstrative object here. This is just a simple Vornado desk fan, and these things are notoriously difficult to disassemble. So definitely don't want to blow this out. So I've got this little thing here. I don't know if you can see how dirty this thing is, but it is gross. It was at a salon, so. All right, here we go. certainly noticeable. But again, I mean, it's all caked on there. Let's see what the canned air does. Probably not a whole lot. Yeah, it's quite on there due to hairspray and whatnot. Well, let's try it with the straw. I mean, I can definitely see way more debris coming out of it than with the can of air. I certainly won't bore you with the long process it will be to clean this fan properly. But I think that I need to take this outside and see what we can really do in terms of moving air.